This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Have you tried replacing your fuel filter? Do you know the best time to do so? This video will help you. Maintaining good air quality inside your vehicle is great for your health and comfort. One key component that plays a significant role in this is the cabin air filter. This often overlooked part of your vehicle's HVAC system helps ensure that the air circulating inside your car is clean and free from pollutants. Over time, cabin air filters can become clogged with dust, pollen, and other particles, impacting not only the quality of air inside the vehicle but also the performance of the HVAC system. A dirty cabin air filter can lead to reduced airflow, foul odors, and even cause strain on the heating and cooling components. In this video, we will discuss how to tell when it's time to replace your cabin air filter and the importance of regular maintenance in ensuring a healthy driving environment. Let's dive in and learn how this simple component can make a big difference in your overall driving experience. What is a cabin air filter? In a vehicle, a cabin air filter plays a vital role in the HVAC system by filtering out dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. This filter is responsible for ensuring the air quality inside the car's cabin remains clean and free from contaminants, providing a healthier environment for passengers. Just like the air filter in your home, a cabin air filter prevents unwanted particles from entering the vehicle's interior through the ventilation system. Signs of a dirty cabin air filter. Reduced airflow. One common sign that your cabin air filter needs replacement is a decrease in airflow from the air conditioning or heating system. If you notice that the airflow is weaker than usual, the filter may be clogged with dirt and debris. Musty odors. A dirty cabin air filter can cause musty or unpleasant odors to circulate inside the vehicle when you turn on the HVAC system. This odor is often a result of mold or bacteria buildup on the filter. Increased allergens. If you or your passengers experience more allergies or respiratory issues while inside the car, it could be due to a dirty cabin air filter not effectively removing allergens from the air. Decreased HVAC efficiency. A dirty filter can lead to the HVAC system working harder to maintain the desired temperature inside the car, resulting in reduced efficiency and potential strain on the system. Frequency of replacement. The frequency of replacing a cabin air filter depends on various factors such as driving conditions and manufacturer recommendations. As a general guideline, it is recommended to replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year. However, if you frequently drive in dusty or polluted areas, you may need to replace it more often to ensure optimal performance. Checking your vehicle's owner's manual for specific guidelines on replacement intervals is also advisable to maintain a healthy cabin environment. How to tell it's time for a replacement. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's cabin air filter, being able to recognize the signs that indicate a replacement is necessary plays a crucial role in ensuring the optimal performance of your HVAC system. Here are some methods you can employ to determine when it's time for a new cabin air filter. Visual inspection. Start by visually inspecting the cabin air filter. Remove the filter and check for accumulated dirt, debris, or clogs. If you notice a significant buildup of particles that restrict airflow, it's a clear indicator that the filter needs to be replaced. A clean, efficient cabin air filter should appear relatively free of any visible contaminants. Airflow test. Conduct an airflow test to assess the condition of your cabin air filter. Measure the air output before and after removing the filter. If there is a noticeable difference in airflow levels, such as reduced air output when the filter is in place compared to when it's removed, it suggests that the filter is potentially blocked and impeding proper ventilation. This test can help you gauge the effectiveness of your current filter and determine if a replacement is warranted. As we conclude the first part of our two-part series on when to replace your cabin air filter, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue the discussion and explore the step-by-step process of replacing your cabin air filter. Until then, may you continue to explore, learn, and maintain your vehicle with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.